Hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to Jilly's Nails. Today we are going to do sort of a galaxy manicure. The funny thing about these is galaxy manicures are actually what got me interested in nail art. I'd been painting my nails for a very long time, like 12 or 13 years after I stopped biting my nails. And galaxy nails were the first thing that made me go, ooh, I want to do that on my nails. And I can't even tell you how much of an epic fail it was when I tried it. I didn't know what kind of polishes to buy. I didn't understand glitter toppers versus scattered versus, all the different things that go into it. And I've still never gone back and done an actual galaxy manicure. So this is sort of a galaxy manicure. You could definitely zhuzh it up and put a lot more into it to make it look a lot more galaxy-ish. But I think this came out really cool. This is the 9D gel polish from Modelones. Comes in a kit, it's two polishes. It's the base black color and then this magnetic 9D gel polish. It also comes with the magnet. There's two ends on the magnet. I thought I showed them both, but I don't think I did after I edited. Anyway, the round end pushes it away and repels the magnetics. The square end pulls it all together into a straight line. And I kind of learned that by playing around with that on that first finger. And don't worry, you're not going to have to watch them all. I'm speeding up through a bunch of it, but I also found a faster way to do it. So I'm going to show you that too. You just gotta play with it and do different designs. If you don't like it, take the brush out and just wipe back over it again. I did do flash cures after the first one, just to kind of lock the design that I liked in place. And then I went ahead and just painted the rest of my nails. And then went back in and played with it with the magnet. And I cannot tell you how much I love this manicure. I don't know if this one or my last manicure, the chrome powder, was my favorite, but I'm into this one. I like it a whole lot. A whole lot. And I've seen, I think it was Guyline. I never can remember the numbers, but if you search for Guyline, Guylene, you'll find her. She was trying to do double, they're calling them black holes, like a double black hole design. And I kind of got it to do that with the cat's got the cat toy again. Sorry, everybody. He's in a mood tonight. He's been caterwauling too, so anyway. I really need to stop filming videos during kitty cat playtime. After I went through and did all the designs that I liked, I flash cured after each one, or after I got them all finished. And then I went back in with this gel top coat from Maniology. These are no longer available. Maniology no longer does gel top coats, but any no wipe gel top coat is great. Maniology completely stopped their gel line. And honestly, I'm not that surprised. It's not that good. I've not been very impressed with any of them that I have, so. Look at that thumb. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love it. I literally just sat at work the next day because I do sales calls and just did my fingers back and forth. So I took several pictures here so you can see the different. In the one light, they just look blue, but it also shifts to purple. It's very pretty. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see that awesome chrome manicure that I was talking about, go ahead and click in the upper right corner. Thanks. Bye.